So guys, right now this is the part 2. So this one is the room tour. So we have a sofa over here.
Yeah,
Just sit
it's
and show them.
comfy.
Just sit and properly. Sit down. Yeah. So then we go with the teapot and stuff. And we have a AC and we have a like a general super laptop something. Sorry, general TV and some telephone for doing some things. And then over here we have our like the coat hanging area and stuff. So
And me.
yeah. And then over here, let me just. This is not that much. Like yeah, this is just a washroom. So it's a clean one. I actually got these ones. So the our brushes and stuff.
Yeah,
so
go there.
So this one is gonna be the. This one is gonna be like a dining table room, but the kitchen looks so messed up. Like see this. It looks like see this.
Oh my
It's
God,
break
I
it
know.
down and it's so dirty. It's so dirty that I won't use that kitchen. Wait a second. 1 minute. Yeah, it looks like that.
This is our room.
Yeah. So this is my room actually, and so I have all my stuff over here, and some stuff over there, some over there.
And mine for there.
So stuff, it's like gonna get it actually. So it's actually this one. So
Oh, very messed up.
yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, and here we go with the another bathroom. So not much to show. So and let me just off all these lights. Yeah,
Okay.
and
This is our room. House tour like for 2 days or 3 days.
yeah.
This is our house.
So no, yeah, it's for 2
and
days.
That's a silly painting that does not even mean anything.
Yeah. So right now, guys, we're going to be going for a lunch actually, and let's just get started. And I'll be showing you guys some clips, and let's just go right into it. So guys, right now, as you guys can see, we are on our way to one of our location, and the city looks really amazing, and the roundabouts and the tunnels, all looks really amazing. I'm really enjoying a lot, and once we go, I'll be showing you guys the main place, and let's just go right into it. Guys, right now, as you guys can see over here, we are actually at the telepheric cable car, and the view is really amazing, and it's really like the mountains, everything feels like we are somewhere nearly in a hill station, but it is actually in Saudi Arabia. So I'm really amazed of this one, and this is actually in Al Hada, and the view is amazing, and there are many cable cars going and coming, as you guys can see. Actually, this road is the road which turns all around the hill and goes till the top, and it's really a great one, and we just saw it through this one only, and enjoy the view, and I'll be seeing you guys after some time. So guys, right now we are at the cable car. It's called the telepheric cable car, and it's in Al Ada. And right now, guys, we are like I'm really scared of heights, and see the height over there. There was more height when we came, but now it's like it's not like that much. It's decreasing. So now I started vlogging, and right now we ate, like after I did the intro for the first one, the room tour. We ate lunch, and then we went to this one, the cable car ride, and now we are going to be traveling on here, and these clips all will be posted, and stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to my channel, and
Our channel.
yeah, our channel. So then I'll be meeting you guys after some time. So peace. So guys, right now, as you guys can see over here, we we are actually going to go down, and we are going to be reaching to that location, and we are going to go back again. So the view was amazing, and as you guys can see, those blue things, those are the water park area. It looks really epic, and now we are going back again, and I'll be seeing you guys once we go back. So guys, right now we just went to the cable car and we just came back, and we googled and we saw that there was something called the viewpoint, and it was really amazing. I'll be showing you guys the clips in a moment, and we are actually going to park our car right now and see the view. Oh my god, that looks really epic. See the view, it looks really amazing. I do like it a lot. And so guys, right now as you guys can see, this is called the viewpoint, as I said you guys earlier. And right now guys, we are going to be going to our next location, and we are going to be going to a park, and that's called Al Rudaf Park, and it's a great one, and Google it said it even had good ratings. We thought of going over there, and we are on our way, and I'll be seeing you guys once we reach over there. So guys, right now we are at the park. Actually, it's actually literally a good legit park. It's really good. So I'll be putting some of these park clips, and like we after we went to the cable car, we after that we went to see a view, and that view photos or that view videos will be uploaded. So stay tuned guys. And right now we are going to be going to play football, some football.
Yeah.
And we are really excited, and let's just go right into it. Guys, right now everything is over. So today's video, if you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, like the button, and hit the subscribe button. And I'll be seeing you guys in the part 3 video. This is going to be the part 2. Tomorrow also it's going to be more.
Yeah.
So stay tuned and subscribe, and let's just go. Peace.
Peace.